Hello SmartNets. So just a quick video here. I was asked to do my predictions over the 2024 GCE. I'll start with physics. Okay. So for physics, preparation of physics is very simple, easy. Okay. You don't need to panic. Okay. We have everything. The materials we have, the past papers we have. Some past papers have got answers. You really do not need to fail. Okay. So I'll make my predictions here. So this is what you are supposed to know as you go in the exam. If you don't know these things, it will be a challenging exam for you. These are things that I expect you to know. Okay, you're expected to know as you are going to write science. Okay, study paper 1 physics. Okay, you need to know these things. Okay, so to start with, we have the first topic here, vernier calipers. Okay, micrometer, screw gauge, simple pendulum. I didn't want to list them as length and whatsoever. I want you to know what you're dealing with. Right? So please know the vernier calipers, okay, as you are going to write. Know how to calculate, okay. So I'll be mentioning the things you need to know here. Under the vernier calipers, know how to calculate, okay, to calculate the readings, okay. Know the precautions you're supposed to take, okay, when measuring the instrument. What precautions do you need, okay, under the vernier calipers? Same thing with the micrometer, screw gauge. Know how to do the reading, the precautions, okay. The simple pendulum, you should know how to do the readings, finding the frequency, the period, okay, under the pendulum. So know these things, please. I emphasize, don't go in the exam room if you don't know how to calculate this, finding the readings, and also the precautions, okay, how it's used, and the uses as well. Okay, don't forget the uses. I can't write everything I'm saying, but just listen to what I'm saying. Don't forget the uses here. Do know how to read the instrument, how to calculate the formulas, okay, the uses of the vernier calipers and the micrometer, screw gauge, as well as the simple pendulum, the precautions you're supposed to take. Know these three things under here. And to help you, I have a video that I made. It has everything to do with vernier calipers. Everything I'm talking about is there in that video. Here's the video here, and that's the title of the video. You can go and watch it on my channel, okay. Also, the simple pendulum, I have a video as well. You can go and watch different questions I was solving under simple pendulum. Please, you don't need to fail. Everything is there at your disposal. Just take time, learn, and know everything. Okay, so that's the first topic covered. Okay, we go to another one. Please, again, don't go in the exam room if you don't know the velocity time graphs, okay, acceleration and distance, calculating for velocity. So know those formulas, okay. Now I have some videos here that I want you to watch that teach about this, okay. You can search for other videos on YouTube, okay. There are other tutors who have made several types of videos, but all I'm saying is learn these, okay. Velocity time graph, acceleration, velocity, speed, okay. Become a master of this topic, okay. So here's a video that I made, and there's another one, okay. So watch all these videos under velocity time graphs. They will definitely help you. Also here I'll emphasize, especially this can come up, the graph, okay. Okay, just take a minute to know the graph here. So done, okay. Work, energy, and power, very crucial, very important, okay. So know how to calculate for work, okay, the definition as well, okay. Same thing with energy. The two types of energy you need to know here that are very important, that always come: kinetic and potential energy, okay. Also power, okay. Here you just need to know these, okay. And I forgot something here that I'm going to include here: simple machines, okay. Simple machines. Now simple machines, they always combine it with work, energy, and power, okay, for some reasons, okay. So please marry these two together. Simple machines here, the ones you need to focus more, there are many machines here, and the ones that you need to focus more here are the inclined plane, okay, inclined plane, and also you focus more on the pulleys, okay, the pulleys. Inclined plane, don't go in the exam if you don't know how to calculate an inclined plane or the pulley, okay. If you are not sure, please don't go in the exam room. Make sure you know that before you enter the exam room. Right? On the simple machine, and here please know the velocity ratios, the mechanical advantage, and also the efficiency, okay. Please know these things. Right? For power, there are many formulas here, but all we know, power must be equal to what? Either energy over time or work over what? Over time. Please know that. Okay. And then energy, like I said, you have potential, okay. You have potential energy, which is given by mgh, and you have kinetic energy, which is given by half mv squared. Please this pay attention to it. Work is force times distance. Okay, so know this topic. Again, I have videos here that explain this topic. There is a video there. You can also search for other videos on on YouTube, okay. Or ask your tutors to teach you this thing. Then another thing, so this done, okay. Please know this, and the simple machines, especially those two inclined planes and the pulleys. Okay, then other one is principle of moments. Very crucial. Okay, very crucial. Be careful here. Principle of moments. Please study the principle of moments extensively. It's not a hard topic. Okay. Again, I have a video there that can help you to understand this. You can also search for other videos to understand more and more. Okay, principle of moments, know how to calculate, okay. And again, please pay attention to the units, okay. It's Newton meter, work in newtons, work in meters, okay. Very important here. People make a lot of mistakes there. They begin to use grams and meters and stuff, but it's Newton meter, work in newtons, work in meters, okay. For distance, okay, because here the main formula here is this one here, okay. Make sure you know how to use this formula, okay. Very important, okay. So we go to gas laws, okay. Please, on gas laws, I want you to just know these three things under gas laws. You have what we call Boyle's law, you have Charles' law, and you have the combined, okay. Now I could you have pi, okay. Vi is equals to p 2v2, okay. This is one formula you're supposed to know here, okay. And also Charles' law and the combined one, okay. So just know this. You can revise through books. Unfortunately, I don't think I've made any video on this one, but you can search for other tutors who have created videos on these, okay. Wow, wonderful. Then the waves. This one, please don't go in the exam room if you don't know waves, okay. Waves, okay. And I have tons of videos here that I want you to watch. Once you just watch these videos, okay, these videos that I'm showing here, watch all of them, you are going to have a better understanding under waves, okay. Before you go in the exam room, know these things. So know the properties of waves. What are these? The amplitude, the period, the wavelength, the frequency, okay. Know these things under the what? Under the waves, okay. No sound, okay. Sound wave, remember sound wave. There are two things you need to know here. There's what one echo. Echo, always you multiply the distance twice, okay. You watch the videos, you understand. Also on light, and then the electromagnetic spectrum, okay. Electromagnetic spectrum here, okay, where you've got roast maize is very unrare, Xmas gift. So these are the you have radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-ray, and gamma. Okay, know these. There are the videos there to guide and to help you. I emphasize this, please, here. Okay, please know that. Electricity, important thing. The circuits, know the parallel and series. Okay, parallel and series circuit. Static current, static electricity. Okay, know these things. Okay, figure out to calculate these. Okay, practical electricity. You need to know the cost here. Okay, the most important formula here is energy is equals to power times time. Power should be in kilowatt, time should be in hours. So the kilowatt hour, okay, we call this the kilowatt hour. Okay, very important here. Then generators and transformers, very important. The generators, you have the AC as well as the DC generator. Okay, the transformers, you have a step up and you have a step down. Know these things. And last but not the least, always I'll emphasize this one: radioactivity. Radioactivity, the things that I want you to know. Okay, under radioactivity, here are the things I want you guys to know. Half-life calculation, know how to graph. Okay, also take a minute to study on what we call background radiation. It comes up. And the machine which is used, in case you are asked for the machine, gigameter tube. Okay, that can detect these type of radiations. Okay, so I didn't want to make this video too long. If you have any question on anything here, or you want me to teach you something, to make a video on any topic, please leave it on the comment section. I'll make a video straight away before you write science. Then we'll be able to work together. Okay, so please study well, know these things. Okay, and study intensively, revise through past papers, ask, study with friends. You can ask even from friends. A friend can know something better and they'll be willing to help. Okay, so see you in our next video, and all the best in your exams.